Hey everyone! So in this video, I will share my updated skincare morning routine after ng aking TCA chemical peel and at-home micro needling. And I will also update you everyone sa aking skin on how my acne scars look na or kung ano na yung kanyang difference from before and now. So, mag-umpisa na tayo muna sa aking skincare. Yeah, so I washed my face first using the Human Nature Balancing Natural Facial Wash. So, this is good for combination to oily skin type and this is good for oil control. So, if you're oily and you're looking for a natural facial wash, so maganda to. And after washing my face, of course, tinuyo ko lang siya ng tissue. Yeah, so after washing my face, ginagamit ko itong Vanish Vanish Pore Shrinker Toner. So, hindi na ako gumagamit sa kanya ng, ang tawag dito, ng cotton or cotton pads. Direct ko na siyang ina-apply sa aking face. Sa aking ka-face lakan. Ayan, ganyan. Isa pang apply para naman sa aking neck. And then, after naman nun, mag-moisturizer na ako, which is, ang gagamitin ko ay itong Vanish Vitamin C Cream na Daily Brightening Moisturizer. So, it's a brightening moisturizer kasi meron siyang alpha arbutin, which is maganda siya for hyperpigmentation kapag meron kayong mga dark spots, ganyan, pimple marks, freckles, and everything, melasma, ganyan. So, matutulungan niya kayong i-lighten yun. So, since meron akong hyperpigmentation from my previous, or yung unang-unang try ko ng chemical peel, which is I use yung 50%, na pure at nagkaroon ako ng hyperpigmentation here sa bandang to. And ngayon naman, hindi na siya ganun kalahalata, pero nandyan pa rin siya. So, yeah. So, apply ko lang siya sa aking buong mukha. Yeah. So, since na hindi ako gumagamit ng eye cream sa umaga, sa gabi lang, nilalagay ko din yung moisturizing cream or yung Vanish Vitamin C cream sa around my eyes. Yes. And don't forget your neck. Ayan, and then lastly, ang pinaka-importante, sunscreen. So this is from WC Natural Flawless Skin. So this is hybrid sunscreen. So combination siya ng chemical sunscreen and physical or mineral sunscreen. So, paubos na siya. But, I still have stocks naman. So, carry lang. So, ganyan lang ako maglagay ng sunscreen sa aking face. Hindi ako gumagamit ng, ang tawag ba? Two-finger method. Or, ano bang tawag doon? Basta, 2 fingers. And then, wag din kalimutan yung neck. Alright, so that's it. So, yun lang yung aking skincare morning routine. So, ngayon, dumako naman tayo sa aking skin update. So, i-show ko sa inyo yung aking pictures before for my acne scars, and also sasama ko na din yung nung nag-acne breakouts ako ulit para makita nyo yung difference nung skin ko before and yung skin ko now, especially yung acne scars kasi yun naman yung aking goal here sa pagko-content ko. Yes, so anyway, so tara na. So ipakita ko muna yung skin ko now. So ganito yung skin ko now. If yan, nakikita nyo ba? So, ganyan na yung itsura ng aking skin. there. So, and ngayon naman ipapakita ko niya or flash ko yung pictures ko before. Okay, so this was my skin look nung nagkaroon ako ng acne breakouts again. So makikita niyo dyan na malalaki yung pimples ko and I have a lot of hyperpigmentation. Alright, and ito naman yung itsure ng skin ko with my acne scars. So makikita nyo naman na malalalim sila kumpara ngayon. Yes. So hindi na ako kailangang magsalita. And ito naman mga pictures na to yung nabanggit ko na may hyperpigmentation ako or nagkaroon ako ng hyperpigmentation when I had my first try ng chemical peel na ginamit ko ng Pure. So that's it everyone. Thank you so much for watching. So please don't forget to like and share this video, follow me, and subscribe na din po sa aking channel. So doon po ako gumagawa ng mga procedures ko on how I treat my acne scars at home. Yeah, so bye!